Dear students, in this video section, you are going to learn grammar. Especially in grammar, there is easy and important grammar topic is direct to indirect speech. Actually, this is continuation of our last video. In my last video, I taught you imperative sentence. Am I right? Imperative sentence I taught. I hope you have understood the type of imperative. In this session, we are going to discuss exclamatory type of sentence. Exclamatory type of sentence. If it is given sentence is indirect, that we have to change into indirect speech. That is especially exclamatory type. How to identify the sentence is in exclamatory. Actually, what is the meaning of the word exclamatory? Exclamatory. Sentence which express strong feelings, right? Sentence which express strong feelings or emotions. What are strong feelings, emotions? No, joy, happy, and sad. Otherwise, wonder. These are all called as strong feelings and emotions. This type of sentence is called exclamatory sentence. What are sentences which express our strong feelings? For that, some words are help us know that words are called exclamatory words. For express our joy or express our sad. Correct? Yeah. So here. For the exclamatory sentence, there is the exclamation mark that we know. This is called exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. You can easily identify the given sentence in exclamatory type. Then, what are the rules we should follow? What are the rules we have to follow to change direct to indirect? For the first rule, said or said to. Said or said to. If it is in indirect speech, the reporting speech verb, reporting verb. Right, reporting verb is said or said to. That should be changed into exclaimed. That is exclaimed. This is indirect. When you are converting direct to indirect, no, for that said or said to changes into exclaimed. And some other things we should be right. Exclaimed with joy. Exclaimed with sorrow. If it is any shameful things is happened, sorrow, exclaimed with sorrow. That also can use. So where and all you can use exclaimed instead of said or said to. No. In this sentence, in this reported speech. The reported speech sentences that start with how or what, there you can use exclaim. How or what. When you are coming to know the examples, questions you could understand like this. You can understand this. Okay. So how or what, if it is started, there easily you can use exclaim. With the joy, exclaim with the joy. Where we can use the meaning is reported. That is exclaim the word, reported word, or reported speech. That is called reported speech. In that, there are some words are used. Oh, ha, right? Wow, that's beautiful. Wow. Then hooray. Hooray, a word. So, etc. These are the words are used to express our joy, express our happiness. These are the words are used to express our happiness. What are? Oh, a beautiful piece. Then wow, wonder. Wow. That's a word we are generally using. Something is very beautiful. Something is very wonderful. That just we are express our feelings. To express our feelings on it. We are using these words, no? That what we can call, what is? These words are usually hooray, oh, ha, wow, These are the words. For if the sentence of reported speech used these words, automatically you can use the reporting word exclaim with the joy. This should be keep in your mind. Exclaim with the joy. Then exclaim with the sorrow. Exclaim with the sorrow. Where you can use no. Alas, alas. This is in the sorrow. Sadful moment. Alas. There is alas in the reported speech. Use exclaim with the sorrow. Exclaim with the sorrow. This should be keep in your mind. Understood? Said or said to. This both is given in the reporting word. You can use exclaim with the joy, exclaim with the sorrow. Exclaim you can use directly how or what these question word are used. You should remove that, you can use that. Then exclaim with the joy, this is used in where no, oh, ha, wow, hurray, for that some joyful occasions. Then exclaim with the sorrow, it is used when the word is given, that is alas. This is for the shared movement, This is about reporting word. Next, conjunction word. Conjunction. This is the word to connect reporting speech and the reported speech. Conjunction word. In exclamatory, conjunction word is that. You should be keeping in mind. That is used. To remove comma and quotation marks, double quotations, use that. After using that, you can write a reported speech. Understood? This is about conjunction. Conjunctions for exclamatory sentence. This conjunction you have used in one type of direct speech. Can you remember where you have used it? Good. You have used this in statement. Statement type. In the statement, what is the conjunction word? Say. That is the conjunction. So whatever it may be that the exclamatory sentence is given, the given sentence that should be changed into statement, it should be given in your mind. These are some extra, some rules which should be followed. Exclamatory sentence, or feeling expressed from that sentence, that should be changed into statement. Answer should be in the statement. That you know what is called a statement. Generally, the structure of statement is subject followed by verb is called statement. Am I right? Subject followed by verb is called statement. The subject plus verb plus extension. So this should be in that statement, for the statement. So writing answer also for changing direct to indirect, that should be the statement. That means subject followed by verb. First is subject, next verb. This is statement. Understood? Let's go for the example. Yeah. Read the first one. First example is given. Hari said, how tall this building is? Hari said, how tall the building is. There is the word is used, how. Right? There is exclamation mark at the end. Here come on, double quotations. Right? How to change this into indirect? This is direct speech. So how to change this into indirect speech? So for that, hurry. Right? As this said is given no. Said or said to, what should be used? Exclaimed. In this sentence, how is used? No, you see, just now I said how or what you should use only the exclaimed. That's all. No need to be use extra word. This is said instead of said, what should be used? Exclaimed. So then, comma, double quotation, what is the conjunction word? That is the conjunction that should be used. That conjunction. Next. So I told you, if the sentence in exclamation, that should be in that indirect speech. We should change that into statement type. That is ordinary type of sentence which should be changed. Statement. So here, how tall this building is in this? First you want to identify which is subject and which is verb. Or should we identify first subject and verb? In this, how tall, this is adjective tall is. This building, yeah, this is subject, this is verb. This should be identified first, subject and verb. What and how is used to know. For the exclamation, subject and verb should be at end of the sentence. You should be keep your mind. What is subject and verb? That should be at the end of the sentence. Here you see, this building is subject, is verb. Right. So now we can change the subject and verb because they should be in statement style. So here this building, this changes into that building. That's how this changes into that building. That building is the auxiliary. That should be changed into was because we should be written past tense. We are using exclaim past tense. Verb no, past tense, reporting verb no. So we should use is verb as past tense of it is was. So is changes into was. Now next we go for the adjective. Here how and what is given. Before adjective we should add something. Before the adjective, here we should add very. Very, then write as adjective is like tall, very tall. So before adjective, add very. This is important. You should keep in your mind. Before tall, you should add very. That's all. At the end, full stop. Now you read the sentence. Hari exclaimed that building was very tall. This is statement. After conjunction, this is subject. You see, this is verb. This is statement. No, yeah. This is answer for the question. Can you explain again? Okay. Hari said how tall this building is. This is changes into exclaim. That it is a conjunction used. In this subject is this building is subject. The verb is verb. So here this building changes to that building. Is changes to was. Tall is adjective. Before adjective use very. Right? Very tall. So this building or that building was very tall is answer. So we go for the next example. Yeah. Okay. Now listen the second one. Read the question. What a beautiful view it is, said my friend. The second one is what a beautiful view it is, said my friend. In this example, reported speech is given first. The reported sentence is given first. The reporting sentence at the end. So this what we have to do now. First we should write reporting sentence. This is reporting sentence. So this we should write my friend. We should write this is my friend. My friend said this given. So this should be changed according to this word. Right here, what is used? This should be removed. Then add exclaimed. Exclaimed. That's all. My friend exclaimed. So we should remove comma and double quotation. We should add conjunction word that. Exclaimed that conjunction. Next, we should find which is subject and which is verb in this. Can you find which is subject and which is verb? Yeah, verb. Yes, it is subject, is verb. It subject is verb. So now we go for that. First is subject, next verb. So here describe that. So it you write as it is. Right? Is changes the past tense of this. So this should be was because exclaimed. Here we are using the reporting verb past tense. So this verb also should be written, should be right in past tense. So it was. What is it was? So this is adjective. Beautiful. So it was. Yeah. Before adjective, I said earlier example. Before adjective, we should use very. Yeah. So very beautiful. What is very beautiful? What is next view? That's a very beautiful view. Full stop. Over. See, read my friend exclaimed that it was a very beautiful view. This is exact answer for the particular question. Only thing, the reporting sentence you should write first, then use conjunction word that then subject you should write first, next verb. So this should be keep your mind. These changes you should be do. You should alter the sentence first subject next verb after writing conjunction verb. So now after next thing, there is one more thing you should do. So adjective you see, beautiful is adjective. Before adjective we should add very. That is very beautiful, very beautiful. This is answer for that particular question. So we move next one. Yeah. Are you following? Good. Veena said to her friend, "How beautiful your handwriting is." So now you see, said to is given. How beautiful, again there is the word how beautiful your handwriting is. This which is subject, yeah. Your handwriting is subject, is verb. This is verb. So you answer for this, yeah. We go for that first Veena. So Veena said to it change into exclaimed. Exclaimed is used after exclaimed use that conjunction because I am using her from into your in this place. Subject, that's nothing, it's very simple. Veena exclaimed that her friends, now you write after that subject you should write her friends handwriting, which is the subject, her friends handwriting, her friends handwriting. Next verb is, it should be changed into was. Her friends handwriting was. What is next? The adjective beautiful. This should be removed. How should be removed? So here was very beautiful. Very beautiful. That's very beautiful full stop. Now see, we will answer again. Veena exclaimed that her friend's handwriting was very beautiful. Now see, the answer is correct. Only thing you should keep in your mind, that is subject, next verb. So after writing verb, you should write that it is a conjunction. Here her friend subject I am using this reported verb, reported speech. Her friend's handwriting. Your, here is your handwriting. Nothing you are indicate her friend. You are indicate her friend. So that's every time. That's a writing her friends. That's all. That her friends handwriting was very beautiful. That's full stop. Very beautiful full stop. Right. So this is answer for that particular question. Now we go for that fourth one. The players said, "Hooray! We have won the match. Hooray! It's a full enjoyment, full excitement. Hooray! Oh, we have won the match." For that, the players, how to write the answer? The players, here hooray, the word is used. This is used joy. The players are very excited, very joy. They are happy because they have won the match. That's the players. This should be removed. Exclaimed. Exclaimed. With joy, this should be added. I told you, array, something so, ha, wow. Such a word is given, you should add with joy. That should be expressed. Some extra. Exclaim with joy. That the conjunction you should write, that is a conjunction. You should remove this type of word. Oh, array, such a word you should be removed. Next we go, in this very easy. Subject is followed by the verb. So, that here we, the player said we. We, you should write as it is we. Or this should be changed because this is indirect. No, you should write as we. This should be changed into they. We changes into they. Have one. It is present perfect. This should be changed into past perfect. Have one changed into had one. The match. Had one the match. Right as it is. That's all. See, only thing, players exclaimed with joy. That should be with joyful occasion. Here, conjunction word you should use after removing comma, right? Conjunction. Then we, it is the players. So this is plural pronoun you should use. Plural pronoun you should use. So they, we changes into they. Have one. This is have is present perfect. Should be changed into past perfect. That's all. Present perfect change into past perfect. That is had one the match. Over. Next, the people said, alas, we have missed our leader. The same thing. The people exclaimed, said is removed, exclaimed, this is alas the word. We have missed our leader. We have missed our leader. So exclaimed with sorrow. Exclaimed with sorrow. Okay, then that conjunction to use remove alas. Then again he changes into they have missed again present perfect. They should be changed into had missed. Had missed. So it is our changes into their leader. Have missed their leader full stop. You see the people exclaim with sorrow. That conjunction we changes into they. Have missed it is had missed it. Our that word changes into their leader full stop. This is answer for the fifth one. So far students we have completed exclamatory type. In that I have explained what is called exclamatory, what are the rules we should follow while changing the sentence. Then 5 examples explained. I hope you have understood.